guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nina. If you're new here, please subscribe and join the family. I'm doing another bag unboxing today with the brand COEE bags, which I worked with them previous in like a few videos ago. They reached out and want to work with me again, so I'm super excited. So thank you so much to COEE bags for wanting to work with me again. It's so gorgeous. I can't wait to wear it out. So this is another bougie on the budget type haul. Just a little disclaimer, if you're not into this type of stuff, maybe don't watch. I'm not forcing you to buy anything. It's just a bag. Let me just get into the video and I'll show you everything. So this time I picked out Dior, as you can see here, ladies and gentlemen. I picked up a Dior bag. The shopping bag came in the box, but I've just put it in the bag to show you. It does come with this white and gold bag. So I've just popped the box in the bag. Obviously I've already unpackaged it and took off all the wrapping. It was very well wrapped just because it's easier to show you, because otherwise I'll be here for like 10 minutes trying to unravel it all, and I've already like wore it because it's just so beautiful. It did come in a beautiful box. It did come in this beautiful box. It does say Dior on the box, but yeah, it's such a nice box and it came obviously intact. Gorgeous, because I'm like one of them people who like to keep the box. Blue is my favourite colour and I love this design and I love the gold writing. So it does come in the dust bag, which I think is very handy. So in the box I got this little envelope. Inside the envelope you get Christian Dior card, which is pretty cool. Christian Dior, Dior. You also get a little Dior booklet. You also get the string tag and the little tag, but obviously it's not on the bag, but you can fold that up and put it through the little holes and put it on the bag. If you want to give it to someone, you can put it on, which I think is cool, that like you get all of it, like not just the bag, like you get all of this stuff. So that's the little envelope. And then I also got a little receipt with it, a Dior receipt and a Dior tax invoice, and they gave me another card, which that all came in a little sleeve. And then obviously in the box you get the bag. So you get this gorgeous little dust bag which has like the swan on and Dior written on it. I love that you get the dust bag because the dust bag's handy obviously to store it so you don't get dust on it, like if you keep it in your wardrobe, or also when you travel. I like to keep them in the dust bags, so it just keeps them safe and protected. Let's just open it up and you can see which one I got. Ooh, tell me she's just gorgeous. So I got the all matte black saddle bag. Okay, I just took the stuffing out, but this is the inside. This is the inside of the bag. It does have the tag in the inside, and it is like lined. It's like a nice soft lining inside. I feel like you can fit your essentials in there. Like my iPhone is in there now, it does fit. So my iPhone fits in there. I've got the iPhone 8 Plus. But yeah, you could fit a good bit in there. Like I reckon you could fit your purse or your card holder, lipstick, phone, keys, mask. I don't know what else you'd need. Maybe a little hand sanitizer or some chewing gum. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this one. They also do the original one with the gold hardware, but I just love the all matte black. I'm just in love. I just think she's gorgeous. I did opt for the smaller size, the mini version. It's for more handheld, like you wouldn't really fit it on your shoulder, if that makes sense. But you could get the strap if you wanted the strap, but this is more just like handheld, which I love. I'm just obsessed with it. Like I don't really know what much you want me to say. It's just gorgeous. It speaks for itself. The hardware is nice, heavy hardware. Like it's not like scratched or anything. It's gorgeous with the CD either side. It's a nice soft material, and this also is a pocket in the back, so if you wanted to fit something in there, maybe your card or something. The stitching is lovely on it. There is like a magnetic clasp at this bit here, so it like keeps the bag closed. But yeah, I'm actually obsessed with it. I just think it's so cute. Like I can't wait to wear this out for like dinner or like lunch with the girls or anything. I just think this is so cute. Such a cute little bag. They do the original one, the black one with the gold details, and I think they do have like the blue writing version one as well. They also do have the bigger sizes if you'd rather the bigger sizes. I have a discount code with them also, so I'll leave it like on the screen and in the description box. I'll also link the bag in the description box. You can contact them on Instagram, the website, or WhatsApp also. You can look on their website and their Instagram at their pieces. I think they're all just gorgeous. The real ones of them are very expensive. They're like $3 grand, but I'm just giving you the look for less. Also, shipping took maybe about a week or two. Actually came quicker than the last time. Also, if you have any problems, just message them. Like I messaged them on Instagram and they tell me like my shipping details and everything I need to know, and they respond pretty quickly. So it's brilliant. They're all so lovely and so kind. So thank you so much to the company for sending it out. I think I put too much silver shampoo in my hair. It's a bit more silver than usual. If anyone's wondering where my shirt's from, it's from Zaful from my last haul. So if you haven't seen my last video, go have a watch. Yeah, but overall, 10 out of 10. I love the bag. The materials are brilliant. The good company, good customer service. The packaging's brilliant. I love all the extra bits you get, like box, the dust bag, the extra bag, all the little receipts. I think altogether it's worth the money to spend. If you don't want to spend obviously that much on the real one. I'm so excited and can't wait to wear it. It's just gorgeous and 100% recommend them. It's my second time working with them and they're so lovely. So thank you guys so much. So yeah, I hope you like this little video and I hope you like this bag. Let me know if you prefer this one or my last video. Hope you are all keeping well and safe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.